Hey there, welcome to 800 SAT Math. In this video, we are going to discuss a quick tip about translating word problems in the SAT Math test. But before we start, subscribe to our channel to get more videos and tips for better SAT Math score. First, you have 15 seconds to read and review the question. If you need more time, you can pause the video. To start with this question, I need you to focus on that statement, as this mentions the cost for the first day. And why is that important? Because when you formulate the cost function, you need to keep in mind that whenever you are going to place a variable for the rate of the change of the cost, you will need to deduct that day that was paid with the initial cost of 52. Then if we apply this in the function, it will be C of D equals to 52 plus 26, multiplied by D minus 1, which if we simplify will end up to 26 plus 26, D. In that case, the answer is A. You can repeat the video. Pause it to have a deeper review. Drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy studying.